Hello there. As you may well know already, a short, sharp blast of heat is on the way. For some, it's arriving through the rest of today, but not across northern Britain, where it's still rather grey and soggy. Scotland and Northern Ireland in particular. Further south, we've already got some pretty warm sunshine, and temperatures are set to rise further. And it will be quite a warm and humid, uncomfortable night for most of us tonight as well. Let's look at the latest satellite picture with the radar on top. As you can see, the rain coming out of this thick cloud earlier on across northern England, Northern Ireland and Scotland. It is slowly pushing northwards though. Some heavier bursts for Northern Ireland in the next few hours. That rain working into southwest Scotland especially. Elsewhere, the rain a little patchy. Parts of northern Scotland actually staying largely dry and bright. And it will brighten up over northern England, Northern Ireland and eventually southern Scotland this evening too. We've already got plenty of sunshine further south, and that's where we've got the top temperatures. Quite a bit warmer already out there compared to recent days. Further north, obviously with more cloud around, temperatures closer to average in the high teens, and on the cool side across northern Scotland. The rain will eventually arrive across northern Scotland through the evening time. Some heavier pulses over the Western Isles. But even here it tends to fizzle out through the night. And then most places dry and largely clear overnight. And it's going to be a warm and uncomfortable night for sleeping as well. Humidity building and temperatures staying in the mid to high teens. Some towns and cities may not drop below 20 degrees Celsius. So a very warm night, an uncomfortable night, as I said. That leads into a hot one on Friday. Notice there is more cloud out west, and this is a weather front which will increase the cloud across Northern Ireland. Eventually other western areas seeing a bit more cloud, maybe even turning a bit misty and murky around some of the coasts in the southwest and South Wales. Some wet weather also perhaps across the Western Isles. But for the vast majority, Friday is a hot and sunny day. And then in the afternoon, the potential for some thunderstorms breaking out. These will be very hit and miss. But they could be pretty lively because of all the energy given by the temperatures. It really is going to be a hot one. Temperatures widely in the mid to high 20s and quite widely across central and eastern England over 30 Celsius, with the peak somewhere in the London area, 33, 34, 35 is possible, likely to be the hottest day of the year so far. It won't be as hot further west, where there'll be more cloud around, a bit more of a breeze, and around some of the coasts it will be a bit misty and murky. Even some of the coast in the east, there'll be some sea breezes as well. Into Friday evening, and there's a greater chance of seeing more of those thunderstorms breaking out across eastern England. I say they will be hit and miss, not everywhere seeing them, but from parts of East Yorkshire, Lincolnshire, across the East Midlands, East Anglia and the South East, the risk that heat and energy could spark some intense downpours and lightning storms. Further west, there'll be that weather front encroaching, so cloud increasing across western Scotland, Wales, southwest England during Friday evening, so there'll be some showers here also. Eventually, this weather front swings through, bringing cooler conditions for the weekend. Still pretty warm, though, across the southeast. And actually, for most, it's a pretty pleasant weekend. Largely dry with sunny spells, just a few showers scattered about here and there. So if you don't like the heat, the weekend looks pretty good, all in all. For more information and for the very latest details on the temperatures, make sure you're following the Met Office on social media.